Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Karen. I'm here today with Alison.
Hello.
And we are here to introduce our new showcase. It's the Terrific Triple Towers. There's nothing better than having a die set that makes more than one thing.
Absolutely. Everything you can see around us is made from this one die set.
It's amazing.
Let me just show you what's inside this.
So being a showcase, obviously it comes with
your folder,
yep, your pocket,
your magnetic sheet,
yep,
and your die set.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Hang on.
We haven't prepped. We didn't get the die set out.
You are going to be blown away. You can see all the dies here.
It just does so much.
Let's have a little look. Oh my giddy aunt.
So you can see here you've got some amazing
this away.
Instructions. You've got a really comprehensive set of instructions there.
Absolutely.
It's guiding you through the basic make, which is the plain tower, and then each individual top.
Yes. So there are your dies. And you can see there is not... There's not a centimetre on there that you could use.
No.
Because even in the middle of the roof for the lighthouse, we've got a little compass. There's windows in the tower. I don't know why I'm doing this over here.
Your other ones are over there.
There's windows in the tower here. Different windows here. We've got doors, flowers, leaves.
It's amazing.
Oh my word. This little flower set is all... Oh, I've taken the pad off as well. Is all together. So you're not going to lose those separate leaves because they're so teeny tiny.
But she's fitted them in wherever she can.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So this is one of our Geordies upstairs. We've got two Geordies. We've got Geordie on TV and we've got Geordie the designer as well. And this is Geordie the designer. And she always does an amazing job at making something do more than one thing.
This set has still baffled me.
I know.
As to how she has managed to get so much into this one set. So you're going to have to sit down. This may be a bit of nighttime reading to have a little look at this. Have a little peruse.
But what she has done is she's put the amount of die cuts you need as well.
Yes.
So you can prep a little bit beforehand.
Yes, you can.
And you can start putting together as you're reading through your instructions. It is very helpful.
Even though you've got a lot of dies here, you just take off the dies you need and that breaks it all down.
Yes, it does.
It is going to be a lot easier afterwards. Okay, so let's shut that up. I mean, look at the front here. So you have a windmill, you have a lighthouse, and you have a helter-skelter.
I love it.
With your slide going down. We were just, when Geordie brought these in, she said, do you think they're all right? And we were like, what? They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't matter who this is for. This could be your granddad.
With the lighthouse.
With the lighthouse.
Or the windmill.
You know, you can have, could be for your grandma. Loads of flowers up your windmill.
Beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it is fantastic. Shall we have a little look through some of these samples?
Absolutely.
They're so good.
Absolutely.
So good.
Go on, you go first. Go on, you bring that one in first.
Right, so I've got an amazing windmill here. And obviously, have I picked the one that they've set the thing on? Wait a minute, where's the one?
Hang on,
they do turn.
Let's bring this one in.
So as you put your brad in,
Look at that.
you'll have to make sure you leave a little bit of room on your brad so that you can make sure that they turn. Because look at that, look how good that is.
It's good, isn't it?
I mean, it's really nice to have one that just is this there for decoration?
But the instinct is to make it turn.
You're going to turn them, aren't you? So this one will turn as well. So you just make sure that you can get those to turn. So the tower will come with these. Is this removable as well? Oh, no. Right. So that's a very good point, because bring yours in first, and we should know from yours, shouldn't we?
So we lay that one down. Sorry. Cam's waving to me there. So we have our top half, we have a middle section, and we have a base. Now, depending on what you want to put into this box, so it could be you've got a bottle. So you need the height, but let me just pop this back in. Your bottle's not going to come out through the top there.
No.
So you need to leave that separate.
You need the break there, so you can
take your bottle out.
Like this one. You can seal the top two together. You can glue these two together, and then leave the bottom one free.
If you've got sweets, then you can glue the bottom 2 layers together and just fill from the top.
Like that.
Absolutely. But you can get more sweets in that. We want more. We want more sweets.
You want more sweets, yeah.
Absolutely, we do. So, and then you just pop the top on. So the tower part, the base, is the same for each of these 3 different makes. The only bit that's different is your top. And obviously you need to put the slide onto the helter-skelter.
You do.
So,
but it's all the same die set. It's all the same pieces.
Absolutely.
And they just come apart. Which one? Oh, right. So this one is secured there. So you can see that one's all secured together, and you've just got the lid, which is the separate piece on this.
So then we can bring in.
They're amazing, though.
If you haven't got colours that you think, I haven't got the colours I need, get your pens out.
Yeah, Christina's coloured that one, isn't it, Christine?
Christine, that says. Yeah. So she's coloured the top, and I love the fact, which bit is coming off for Christine? It's the middle. She's glued the top on as well.
Yeah.
But I don't know whether you can see. Can you see the little semicircles around the top?
Yeah.
That is what is holding your balcony in place.
Oh, that's really good, isn't it?
They are absolutely ingenious.
Such a clever die set.
Absolutely.
Very, very good.
Absolutely.
And we've got another one here from Ruth. Ruth has gone down the more traditional route of a nice red and white lighthouse. She's got her compass on the top there. And that one is there. We've got a lovely, I think I've shown you this one up nice, so let's just tell you who's who. So this one is from Shabney's, and she's got those lovely papers from...
Sweet Sorbet.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Cameron. Sweet Sorbet there. Just
what about those. Sending the children home from a party with these sweets in the goodie bags?
So this one was yours, Al, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, Al made this one for packaging. Now this one...
I love this.
This one is our Shilpa.
And we know you love a bit of Halloween.
So we've got a nice little haunted helter-skelter here. Look at that. Oh, look at me with a spider.
You weren't going to say the word then, were you?
No, I was not.
So this one is quite traditional as well. But we have the ship's wheel on the front.
Oh, that's lovely.
Then we have the anchor up here.
Oh, they're lovely. So all those little elements, of course, could be, you could use it. Oh, look at the anchors on a piece of rope as well.
I know.
So they could all be used on like a little matching card or something, couldn't they?
Absolutely, it could.
Beautiful.
Or you could just use the panels on a card.
Yeah.
Because you've got doors, you've got windows.
No, I'm just taking them all apart.
We're just checking.
I'm finding out where they're opening now. Now, this one foxed me because I didn't expect it to open here. So, I've got a lovely one from Christine. And I did not expect it to be opening with that window. But yeah, she's got the
That's a good idea, though, overlapping those windows.
I like that a lot. Yeah, it's a good idea, Christine.
I like that.
I like that one. Thank you very much.
And then we've got, this is our lovely Leo's. This is our Leo's helter-skelter. Look at that. Now the slide only goes around the front part.
It does.
But I think
angles were a bit of a problem,
poor
shall we
Geordie
say?
with this. Poor Geordie, wasn't it?
She did so well though.
But it just looks amazing. And again, the top can come off, the middle can come off. You glue whichever layer you want to fit your gift. Look at that.
They're amazing. I've got some lovely ones
Do
here
you know
as
what
well.
I just think, you could fit a lovely scroll in these.
Ooh.
What about if you had a birthday? What about a mermaid birthday?
And you've got a nice, lovely sea themed.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes, I don't know where that came from. Or even a pirate one with your pirate scroll
birthday.
inside.
Yes, very nice.
I love them.
Right, so we've got a lovely one here, and now the base of this one, this main box, has been used just with a really thick patterned card.
That's lovely.
And that is cut in, so if you cut in multiples of these, it'll cut your time down, won't it?
Yes.
It's a really, really nice one there.
I love
and that
that
one is
paper.
from Shilpa as well. I love that. I've got a lovely one from Terry. So there's another helter-skelter from Terry there. And Terry's got a video on this, I think, a YouTube tutorial for this.
It's gorgeous.
And she's also got a card and a matching
Let me just bring
little
this
house,
in.
isn't she?
Oh
So
dear, my
Terry's
arm's not
card,
long enough.
and you can bring.
Hang on.
This has
hang
got a
on.
tea light
Look,
in it.
it's got a little tea light, so we may as well pop it on.
You may not see any light, but
It's only a... Oh, can you see that light?
yeah, you might do. So you've got a little tea light there. Let's chuck him in.
So she's put vellum in the windows.
I'm going to pop it.
We'll put the lid on. And you may see a little bit.
Because it's a flickery light, so you may
Can you see her?
just
No,
Cam
nothing.
is shaking his head with the studio lights. You're not seeing.
Oh, but that's a little fairy
Unfortunately.
house, isn't it?
So that's lovely, isn't it? Just using the top for the helter-skelter
Yes.
in a different way. You can see it there.
So you
it's
just
glued
use
down.
the top two layers
Uh-huh.
and not the bottom layer.
It's lovely.
I love
Very,
it.
very nice. Such a good idea. I think I've got one left. Look, I'm going to have to go around the side of the desk. My arms are not long enough. So I've got one more here.
Oh, it's lovely colours.
Beautiful.
Very sherbety colours.
bright and
aren't they?
cheerful. And I think that one again is Christine.
Should we have a
look
peek?
at that?
Yes,
Yes.
of course it's Christine.
Lovely. I'm going to turn this light off because we're going to forget it.
Yes, it will, and it'll be flat as a pancake.
Yep.
I can't wait to see these in our Facebook group.
Yes.
You need to tag us in your makes. You may end up in show and tell on a Friday.
You
in
may
our
well
weekend
do.
show.
You may well do.
Because I know you were going to do something awesome with these.
So this showcase is available now at $34.99 in the UK and $36.99 in the USA. You were going to show another one then?
No, I'm just bringing this back in so you can see what you're getting.
Don't forget, if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you do get your TCK discount on top of this as well. So that'll take an extra 10% off for you. You can pay in installments with ClearPay, ShopPay, PayPal and Afterpay in the USA. I think we do need to check on those USA payment options there. We're gonna double check those for you. We do love to see what you're making.
Absolutely.
As Al said.
Absolutely.
Please remember to tag us. We're across all sorts of socials there. We're
Yes.
either at Tonic Studios or hashtag Show Tonic on the Facebook group. We do love if you would give us a little thumbs up. Cheeky little thumbs up.
We love that.
If you can like and subscribe to our channel. And if you do hit that notification bell,
Ding.
we will be live for you. And we'll let you know when we do post a new video.
Absolutely.
So
share us with your friends as well.
Definitely.
Tell everyone about us.
Definitely. Spread the tonic love.
We love to spread the love. We'll share all the tonic love, won't we?
Thank you so much for joining us today. It's always a pleasure to have you here with us. We'll see you again next time.
Happy crafting.